begin our session. Today my Manjum is not with us. She is in Hindi for the workshop. Today's session will be without my Manjum. And we are starting working on the book Discovery of the Child. Today's lecture, first lecture for today by Ma'am Nazra. Your topic? Generalization on the sex. Welcome to Ma'am Nazra.
Generalization of senses. The topic is very simple. We all are here gathered for some purposeful task. That for you people are here to listen to us. And we are here to speak to you, to tell to you. How come it is possible for both of us to channelize with each other? In contact with each other. This is all you feel, common people feel, that through the nervous system, through the brain. But first, it is not the brain, it is not the nervous system. Very first, it is senses. The senses connect us with the environment. This is the environment, and we connect ourselves here through the senses. The task for what we are here, we are going to perform only when we are in our senses. Right? So senses put us towards the right direction. If one do not have a sense, he is not going to perform anything as per the demand of the environment. Because he do not have a sense. He do not have a sense. So senses first is here we have three organizations, that what I told you before. Having a sense within us, and we all are going to work according to the understanding that is there in the senses. Right? But Allah has given the senses to all of us. The one who is normal person, if not act properly, if not able to hold his action as per the manner, it doesn't mean that he do not have a senses. He was given the complete senses like anybody. Right? Allah has given, as Allah has declared, we keep telling you this, कि मैं बहुत इंसाफ पसंद हूँ, तो Allah has given the senses equally to everybody. But senses are like a stone in the stores. Senses are like stones in the store. And if you really want to sharpen the senses, use that stone. Utilize that stone. The more you utilize, the more the stone becomes shiny. The more you remain the stone on its position, the more the stone becomes faded, dull. This is the same example like a senses. Allah has given the senses to all of us at the time of birth. And 0 to 3 and 3 to 6. 0 to 3 is unconscious absorbent mind. The child really not know his direction of movement. He is moving but really not know exactly that for what I am moving. Unconsciously he is doing everything. But even then at that stage, it is very important for the mothers to understand the action of the child and will of the child, urge of the child, and according to the urge, exactly he is not in the state to speak with you. Yes, thank you very much. Now I can see all of you. He is not in the state to speak with you. Is he in the state to tell that, Mama, I want this? And then how come you know that what my child knows? His action, his movements, but his movement at that stage is scattered. If he wants to touch the ball, it is not like that at the age of 6 years or 4 years that exactly he go towards the ball and grasp it. No. he is not even in the state because he is moving his hand towards something and his movement and direction goes somewhere else. Because the mind is not, there is no coordination among the muscles with the brain. It has not yet fully prepared. The imagination is there. It is predominant. He is able to imagine because the power of imagination starts immediate after birth. Right? So he is imagining. He is imagining in his mind that I have to touch. I am going to touch this toy, this ball. But he is not able to maintain, to bring the coordination. Okay? So what is there for him to do to make himself perfect? What is there? That is repetition. The repetition means the more he do an action and his action is not as refined as mine, even as I said to you before, that may you not able to understand at that stage that for what he is moving. Right? He is moving towards a napkin. But instead of that, he may fall down in between. He may go towards the door. He may, instead of touching the napkin, he is touching the things beside there. Getting my point? So the ordinary people, those do not have a spiritual connection with the child. This is very important thing. At this stage between 0 to 3, only the one who has a spiritual connection. And who are they? वो कौन लोग होते हैं जिनका spiritual connection is not in the hand of me and you. Allah has decided. The mother is first, then the second, khala. Like woman category, I am saying. Then nani. The father is not in the stage to understand. Pakdo bhai, pakdo, ye kya kar raha hai? He completely get confused and make the environment also confusing. देखो देखो क्या कर रहा है और जब जाओ तो कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा होता. There he is touching something else. The father is not in the real state to understand the child between especially to 0 towards few months and years. एक साल तक तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. So the thing is that the repetition is the gift of the God, and the repetition tells everything to the mother. Right? In which sensitivity he is. The sensitivity is because of that senses. The senses which understanding from this environment is going to pass on to the brain, nervous system, and then the muscles. And the movement is the final result through which you are able to understand that through which act he is connected. ठीक है? यहाँ तक बात समझ में आ रही है? It's very minor thing, but I know the woman, as because of many other tensions, the hand, providing the facility to the hand, they all the time thinking how to stop the hands. अब क्या करूं? अब ये छुएगा. अब क्या करूं? ये छुएगा. तो there is no other way to refine the senses. The hand, there are two purposes of senses Allah has given us. The one is the refinement of the senses, and nobody can become intelligent without the refinement of the senses. The senses also proceed towards the intelligent. There is only one formula given to all of us, that if you want your child intelligent, no books can make the child intelligent. Only and only hands can make your child intelligent. This is the reason Dr. Maria Montessori said that hand is the brain and a brain is a hand. The child is working with a 10 brain. The tips of the fingers. The sensation of these fingertips is on the peak. And these nerves are going to be considered as a nerve of a brain. Because whatever you are feeling with this, that impression directly comes in the brain of the child. And that remains there till grave. 0 to 3 and 3 to 6. So this is all about, I was talking 0 to 3, the mother, what she has to do and who is going to come and teach to her. One day Dr. Maria Montessori saw a professor giving a lecture to whom he was delivering. They really do not have an experience of visualization. So how come they can understand the early symptoms? अमूमन ऐसा होता है ना कि शुरू में हम ये कहते हैं ना, we keep saying कि हमें पता ही नहीं चला शुरू में, वो लग रहा था, he was having, he was not able to balance himself, but we are not understanding, we feel that due to the weakness and this and that. Why it's happened like this? And because the pace of every individual is different. Some can easily understand that thing which quietly the message is coming through the material in one day. Some can understand 2 days and some can understand in a week. लेकिन here she has again said कि you don't have to worry for that. यहाँ पर हम बड़ों को तसल्ली दी है. She has given an example like a language. If you are talking with any language with the child, बात समझ आ रही? One day, if he is a normal child and able to speak, one day he is able to speak like you. But as per the pace of every individual, कोई बच्चा 1.5 साल में बहुत अच्छा बोल लेता है, कोई बच्चा 2 साल में बोलता है, कोई 2.5 साल में जाके क्लियरिटी ले जाए. लेकिन ये नहीं है if I am speaking in Urdu, if I have 2 sons, it is not possible that in the same day, in the same time, in the same month, both the sons are doing the same act. Every individual is different. मेरी बात समझ आ रही? But what is same in both? दोनों में क्या same चीज है? The exposure of the language. They are taking the same exposure. They are remaining in the same environment. But they are different as per their own pace. They take a time. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो कुन जहन है, डफर है. Please stop and avoid these words to say to the child. Okay? These are the material. Dr. Maria Manstri said that it has 3 aims: the biological aim, the social aim, and a professional aim. The biological aim is this, that the teacher can easily find out any defects in the organs in very early stage through these material. Right? So how come it is possible to the directress to come to know about the defects in the child if she is very religious in her profession? She has approached professionally all the ways within her, and she know how to understand the child. Only by showing the color tablets and one day he is failed to recognize it, he said that defects in a chromatic. Lo, ho gaya kam. And call the parents and say that, no. She has to observe, care a lot through different ways, and through that material he is able to find out the biological. What is biological aim? What is biological education? Natural development. Scientifically natural development. If that is there, accordingly you have to provide it. If not, that is not there, accordingly you have to guide that. Naturally development. You don't need to guide to the child for that. You have to give only the lesson. The lesson how to deliver, that is going to be. अगर defects नहीं है, if the defects is not there, are you all understanding? ये जो आप लोग बोलते हैं ना, मुझसे फोन हम लोगों से कॉल करते हैं कि मैम we are given the pink tower, लेकिन उसको तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. He was throwing the pink tower in the class. He was throwing the red rods to the मतलब and this and that, misbehaving with the material. क्या है? What is the purpose behind of them? क्योंकि उसको वहां से कोई aim नहीं आता हुआ नजर आ रहा है. His internal urge is not satisfied with doing that. He is not feeling any sort of satisfaction with that material. He who has given the presentation, she not understand the child psychologically. You must have to understand it first, the psychologically, then present. Without understanding the child, this material is not going to give any effects on the child. No matter how upgrade you do it. ये कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता इससे. आप इसको कुछ भी कर ली. मेरी बात समझ आ रही है? सेंसेस का यहाँ पर ताल्लुक मटेरियल से नहीं है, यहाँ पर इंसान से है, इंडिविजुअल से है. You have to understand the individual. Then that pink tower is going to be affect to the child. And once you understand, first of all, I understand you. You are the guest of me. For example, नहीं भाई मेरी वो बहन आई, उनका मिजाज ऐसा है, उनको तो मुझे ऐसे ट्रीट करना है. तो शी इज हैप्पी, शी इज काम. इज दैट? नहीं, मेरी फला है, ये मेरी फ्रेंड है, शी इज हैविंग दिस नेचर. आई हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, अकॉर्डिंगली आई एम गोइंग टू ट्रीट. अगर मैं उनको बहुत ऑनर करूं लेकिन उनकी साइकिक लेवल्स को सामने ना रखूं तो कहेंगे मैं गई, मुझे मजा ही नहीं आया, मैं तो उसके घर गई, मुझे मजा ही नहीं आया. हालांकि द वन डेड लॉट्स फॉर हर, लेकिन उसको मजा नहीं आया. ही रियली नॉट एंजॉयड. तो भाई मैं क्या करती, मैं क्या सोने का तख्त बिछा देती? नहीं, लोग कहते हैं ना ऐसे सोने का तख्त. अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यूज, अंडरस्टैंड द मैन, अंडरस्टैंड द बीइंग, then he can take the advantage of that. Getting my point? अब उसको प्रेजेंट तो कर दिया रेड रॉड्स, बट नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द पर्सन. ठीक है, really is in that state or not. इसीलिए टाइम फैक्टर नहीं है. 3 to 6 years is a long time for him to stay in one environment. That is the prepared environment. Like here, after every 8 months we ask the child to shift. What obstacle comes while shifting? क्या आते हैं, किसी को पता है? जब वो शिफ्ट होता है एक एनवायरनमेंट से दूसरे एनवायरनमेंट में, तो क्या तबाही आती है उसके अंदर? He is in the drama of love and he is building association within him about the environment. ये क्या है? सोशल एनवायरनमेंट. ही इज इन द स्टेट ऑफ सोशल. सेंसेस के 3 है ना, मैंने अभी बायोलॉजिकल आपको समझाया. बायोलॉजिकल समझ आ गया. एडवांटेजेस ऑफ एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस इन नेचुरल डेवलपमेंट, दैट ऑल कम्स थ्रू द सेंसेस. Allah has given the biological way of everybody to develop. बात समझ आ गई? Advantages is in your hands and disadvantages means that obstacle in the development and defects is there. इसके 3 निकल रहे हैं. बात समझ आई? बायोलॉजिकल के natural development is there. Advantages, disadvantages and defects in the natural development. It's all about you, how you treat the child. If you treat well, as per understanding of the psychic, he really gets the benefit of these material, and in his natural development, that material, that treatment is going to give a good result later on. यहाँ पे बात, और जो ये तो advantages बताया, disadvantages. Definitely he is not using the material, the teacher is not understanding, not giving. So instead of bringing a good thing in the child through that material, through that activity, because you are giving a time to the child, so the time what you are giving, instead of gaining, he is frustrated. कि अब मिस ने मुझे बिठा दिया पिंक टावर के बराबर में, I have to stay that much time. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया सोशल के. अब तीसरा आ जाए प्रोफेशनल. The professional is that definitely at the age of 3 to 6 he will never know, or you people not know that he will be a doctor, he will be an engineer, he will be a scientist, he will be a teacher, he will be an artist. He will not know. But whatever the sharpness due to that material and environment is coming in the senses, ठीक है, bringing the senses towards that level of sharpness that remain. Mic is not working. What I do?
Wait करें फिर.
Okay, how long we are still short in time? It's working. आप सुन रहे? मैनेजमेंट को बताइए भाई. 4 मिनट तो हो गए. Is again, as I said, he really not know, but whatever the exposure he is availing at the age of 3 to 6, that remains. The story which you heard at the age of 3 to 6, the rhyme, the dua, that is still you. और अभी जो आप याद करते हैं, after if you are not going to repeat it for a long, you forget it. लेकिन the one which you learned at that stage, you still remember it. Am I right? Yes. So how come it is possible? Consciously we are doing this? No. Unconsciously, that is there in that. The sensitivity on that much peak, so we are even able to recognize the words right now. So professionally, the auditory sense is required in the profession of doctor. जरूरत है?
if he is listening the pulse, if he is not able to recognize the heartbeat, the timing between the heartbeats, so is he able to be a good doctor? And at the age of that university, if he has to refine that, so how long he has to put an effort to refine his senses? Am I right? So this is the gift from the parents to their children, to give the exposure in the age, to able to have all that qualities in that stage and later now, biological, social and professional. Right? Do you all understand that? Thank you very much.
The technique of the lesson and book is, what is the name of the book? The Discovery of the Child. In this, Maria Montessori is giving different ways, different techniques in which the directress has to deal with the child. The material is there in the environment, the directress is there, the child is there. Child